Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be solving a word problem using a bar diagram. A bar diagram is also referred to as a part, and a whole. So when you're reading a word problem, you're going to be able to fill in the different parts or the whole in order to solve the problem at the end. So the word problem is Corey scored some points at a basketball game. I'm going to let my question mark represent the sum points. The keyword is sum because we don't know how many he scored at this moment in time. Then he scored 8 more points. So these two numbers are two parts that are going to add up to the total amount of points he scored in all. Corey scored 14 points in total at the basketball game. Now we are trying to find out how many points he scored at first. We're trying to find out what the question mark represents. So there are two ways we can solve this problem. We can take 14 minus 8 to give us our question mark. We could take 8 plus a number which equals to 14. So if we wanted to solve it using subtraction first, we could draw 14 circles. There's 14 circles, and we can cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we count the rest, which represents the question mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 14 minus 8 is 6. Or on the other side, I could show you how we could count up from 8 to get to 14. So I'm going to draw my 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I keep the 8 in my head and I'm going to count up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 more is going to give me 14. Now, if we wanted to, we could take it one more step further. So we counted up to get to 14. We counted backwards from 14 to get to 6. We could also use the method compensation in a bar diagram to solve our answer. If I wanted to use compensation to solve this problem, I could take 8 and I'm going to add 2 to this number because I want a 10 to make it easier to add mentally. So that brings me to 10 plus blank, which is the question mark. And now I have to add the 2 to the 14. So 10 plus blank equals 6. Well, I can count up from 10 and add 6 to it to get 16. So that's another way you could use compensation in order to solve your problem. I'm adding 2 to part of my whole, and I'm adding 2 to my whole in order to help me find my missing number, which we know now is 6. I hope that's clear.